but I think I found something that will beat ChatGPT in a certain area. You know, I've been on this AI whirlwind and I've been messing with so many different tools. And of course, one of my favorites, the GOAT of everything, is ChatGPT. But I think I found something that will beat ChatGPT in a certain area. Now, for my content creators or business owners who need to be content creators, we need to find a reliable video script, right? Something that can help us write our videos out. Everything from titles to descriptions to the video script, we need help with that. And ChatGPT doesn't necessarily do that well from a detail standpoint. I found a tool that can do it all for you. Now, granted, it is now targeted for YouTubers, but I do believe if you get this tool, this could be used for multiple ranges of videos on different platforms. It's called VidIQ. You've probably heard us talk about it before with the AI coach, but now they have an AI content generator for YouTube, and it's pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. It looks very simple, and all you have to do is describe what kind of video that you want. And I'm gonna put in how to monetize your podcast in 1 year, right? And what it's going to do is generate the title, give you a video description, give you all the keywords, thumbnail backgrounds, which ChatGPT will not do, right? The video script in itself, and then it's also going to produce a voiceover. So for those people who aren't keen on, okay, Nikki, okay, Moose, I know I got to do videos, but I'm not a fan of being in front of the camera. You can actually download the voiceover part, which is pretty dope, and create a video just from the voiceover. Find some B-roll, some pictures, some visuals that support the actual words that are being said, and you can have a video in a matter of minutes. I think this tool is amazing, and as we are starting to see how people are building off of ChatGPT to in a more niche way, I think we're going to find a tool, especially in our creative journey, for everything that we need. So this is on VidIQ. And if you want to try out this tool, just go to vidiq.com/Nikki and Moose, and you could try it out. When I say this thing is a game changer, I'm talking about game changer, because I love it. I've been using it, and we're going to see what these results are looking like. So, Moose, what you think about that?
That's dope, man. That's dope. I mean, I'm looking at so many different things continuing to pop up in AI. I was just reading a thread on Twitter of just in the last week, the top 10 breakouts in AI. Everything from gaming to medicine, just everything. So it's, I'm not gonna lie, low key, I'm not gonna give too much energy to this thought or feeling. I'm getting a little worrisome, but I'm not gonna put my energy there, because I've been, you know how the algorithms work. The minute you start watching one thing about how AI will be destructive, and then low key, it's just boom, 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 and you're like, oh shoot. So yeah, I'm not even gonna give no energy to it, but no, super cool, man, super cool.